People, this is your Empress Ama McBrown. You can also call me Ama McBrown. You're watching Video Mix with DJ Paco Rich. Huskani.
Put our friend Father Dixon in, or your local born businessman. Or Tejumano and I say Father Dixon only. Hobia Obakere United Showbiz Obogun. Onyimoreka. Father Dixon Onyimore, the man understands the game. Onyim terrain or build it shown strategically. And as at now in the last week, Nyana Namano who still betting who numbers and stories and so trending as a so he knows what he's doing. Nah, show a courage $500 a week is it. I see, you know what, throw a bed in and call. Why you dead? Obiso say, Ama McBrown, obey your Shemiane accent. Na presenting and yana lie on yadina the hey Kawano tum Kawano Pado. She's not the first person to do this, and she wouldn't be the last person. Mama Dokwane choice or Donia Asumdre. She did very well. And then radio presentation as an oye additional, you learn on the job, you grow on the job.
DJ Paco Rich.
Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2.
Yo people, this is your Empress Ama McBrown. You can also call me Ama McBrown. You're watching Video Mix with DJ Paco Rich. Huskani. Yo.
Osike here for wakara big up to our Empress Ama McBrown. Be chill baby will be out of about kwaso. I have a fancy YouTube first time I reach a channel in here. Mr. Obama subscribe and I have information about your triable. You should shame the amount or hear the exciting parts of the whole news. Now you then Ama McBrown they unveiling what media general and all your strong but me bama fact to be one. Akika man ko for alleged in a za all your facts. In a za yenyim na history kakasa yenyim na za amafo so wara kakan ni na yezba brown. Na first of all, amazing candidate video media general, which is TV3 grouping with the receiving Ama McBrown. Apart from Shatawale unveiling away making news for Ghana, McBrown easy. Mama video kakra na share. If you are using a home come all the orcas about the festival that Ama McBrown this is all your performance time I will receive in Vienna. This is how she walked in. Shout out to GH Kweku. Yes, Zion fellas It's in a trailer or a wonderful ceremony, very beautiful one. Yes, big shout out to TV3 and the media general. Yes, this is the official flyer and a pemo hana calibni boy. Ama there. No, Ama McBrown live by house war in Yenya who did it. Yeah, McBrown so you'll be me checking upon one of the ladies. She has supported me very well in my career. Endorsements on the mama onye be more biada inti or you be me checking pa na yamba in 7 mu yo na yehu de Miss V Wefi Miss G Fetcham Wefi Media General. Okatsine fie kakra ni yenyim baby oroboko move ayo hu ayin de pam 3 Music TV or your Babane channel now you're affiliated to Plus FM no. One man or I could join EJ following no naze. It was beautiful. We're all happy for her. You posted flyers naze. Intinibuna you would appear or your UTV United Showbiz program no and Ama McBrown naze were hosting as a guest. Now could wo wana na chede nkomo bi kodo na mama wo filan see ya wo ho na yenya na nse there na Ama McBrown wants to resign from Despite Media. We all know ya aware there nyimpa what's in the building or your United Showbiz and onye na Ama McBrown. Because the program nankasa is surrounded with her image, even if she montage na ho kekawa. The show is Ama McBrown. Inti, why as a pa looking at the number of numbers and or commanding or audience and other, but here for credit in Aman because she had a good production team. Father Dixon, Roger Cote, Nominaze, and a Panditson. And I will always say there, Arnold in a Bulldog in an A+ were ye main pillars of them shown. Wasn't one record courts and I wasn't one record. But information I yet say that you may be a man and now manabe muguyo fee. Despite in day. You know fee betrayed kakra. And there no be canoa some day. And there no be war. In 1 hour radio don't know to bomb will be not there but now say it's not the never power fee Germany mo. It's not on you too comfortable. Now so you busy woman. It's all you say be on you wanna be quite a bit in the moment. Now you're a keke kodu mensima Miss G or baby shame. And on your one on Miss G obey your panditry and a cheddar comoro kodo na. Remember in a fella and there United Showbiz no. It's not that on your allowance kakraba na waji wo. United Showbiz allowance emi menye info there was one alleged though $500 for a week. Anything I call a Miss G or pass it through that woman $500 for a week and a cheddar sister why impressed also wow what a wow obi the bossuma could share they had a 1 week. It's okoye there ne house no when ankasan 3 Music TV when you're comfortable with her being on UTV United Showbiz because once what brand what Showbiz brand again naturally or the content in the info you know the cotton adona or you when you want to say the in-house in what you do come work a crib you know your research and I any more I'm feeling it's an acquire there Miss G Dream was and coffee crowd patch I say week you $500 so what a crowd put what do I captain of the ship with is a way yeah I say what will be baby for pa no come started or record Father Dixon Miss G what bon command or there what's the sister what's the not to TV though a door button I don't know so many shot or city nama Nama Dabi. So the next week or a week here with Tremiana was the sub brand of the show ni na what's the image na nyimana as what's the montage you would know agree change. See you done na major. Obokokuma would now I can act in the man ne adverts or ye and they pay a sorry bam Media General Nanama Media General will look at branching Onia one and Ama or Kizinagor. Now question I hear I be saying there. Yang the Media General once or Queen be or how no handle war entertainment and a war showbiz will near side and trending issues na no zone common Nizinyi Monaguchi BBJJ It's yet issue na and na kakani if you don't battle bets in there you share na chede na Ama McBrown on na media general and a sign and call bets yehu Captain Smart yehu a DJ Willie yehu Joe Fanny yehu Bellamundi yehu Johnny Hughes bets ya shemo na Gucci wabana sa yehu when a man and work coming on and coffee started the woods in commode Madi Mawaye abeya and a cheddar salan come on a Gucci Sala crabakana me sure there or bets na wache ya question social media so my caliber no we posting na Giovanni no na Johnny Hughes no we posting na Ama McBrown no na ye hu post bia na no obi ni trekaka enti eware ya say ye move forward ya hwa zo record ene ya kwahwe Ghana eja asamba yimpa ya kwahwe ye kete ni views bongo ideas. Of course people were not expecting her to come in praise na Ama McBrown. You know be obo chotra with na Ama McBrown for hakosi na TV3 they've lowered their standard na waka for bit na Ama McBrown. But me be sembi claim ubiati. You see? Anyway, Miss Jeannie, I will win than Miss Jeannie picture. Papa, our friend Father Dixon, or your local born businessman, or Tejumanori and I say, Father Dixon only. Hobia Obakere United Showbiz, Obogun, Unimorika. Father Dixon Unimori, the man understands the game. On him terrain or build it shown strategically. And as at now in the last week, Nyana and Amano who still bet him numbers and stories and so trending as a so he knows what he's doing. Nah, show a courage $500 a week is I say you know what throw a bed and uncle. Why you're dead? No, we are dead. At Asa. Obi so say na Ama McBrown obey on shemi acting na presenting and yana lie on yard na the hey kawano pado. She's not the first person to do this and she wouldn't be the last person. Mama Dokwane choice or Donny Asumdre, she did very well. And then radio presentation as an oye additional, you learn on the job, you grow on the job. Damn, I wait to win opportunity. Wait to raise the bar in United Showbiz, and my brother, this woman will excel at Media General if she's given the right production team. Which I know that you were giant to be today, Mr. Massive I didn't want Media General. So if technically Media General, when you were homework ye, now we'll put things together very well. They could make some bars. But not the fact that no one starts and then UTV. When they move with that mindset, they will fail. That is the fact. What this is why dreamy there. Yet the Ama McBrown Rebani the Bogu United Showbiz they will fail because Father Dixon pillars are our building. No be small. But also was actually when I dreamy there. Ama McBrown yeah presents a papa nti she cannot succeed with Media General or your bogus talk because we had the likes of Mame Dokun being a veteran actress going on radio, Choice FM or Donny Asumji became one of the biggest show in this country. Nti, let's wish all of them well. Miss G, na no way wo twi na ho, but otse adwuma na ase. Na no wo twi no ho, but otse adwuma na ore na ase. And I know that with the right coaching and with the right direction from United Showbiz crew, she will succeed. You see, there is something we all have to acknowledge. Obia brand webodu baby am wedwin. Ntime yengu obia na bem. Aya nyimpa kasa bebra na o ma wo hu yen himenya atamfo. But obiri adze so a oya yam wishing well. The sky is too big for so many birds to fly. Nanama will fly, Miss J will fly. Obia benyana share. After all, Ghana is 30 million. So if you see people like 10,000 watching United Show Business, we still have a certain amount of people there to also watch Ama McBrown on Unia TV. TV3, the experience when it comes to TV. They came somewhere around 97. Peace FM or Despite Media started around 99. Peace FM was starting radio. Media General was starting TV. In a piece, they've branched into TV and they are doing well. Media General are trying to find their feet in radio. They are doing all the big poaches and all that in town. But I'm sure they want to honorable. They shouldn't pick people based on or a big fish, but if the person can get the job right. And Obotuma the major man, what starts you on you? What's the man girl be when you're quay? Yeah, but great talent. You more and I was a Benedict Agafa was in a trim. Now what's in a shay? One quay amon, what's on called music because they need a quay amon. Then they brought AJ Pounds and I say, see, there's something I would like to tell Media General. If you want to grow talent, have time for them. The fact that I can sponsors who can check about more presenters pressure there, one hit the bar, get time, nurture them, and let them become professionals. And one can say, I don't want to say much about these things, but Mama Kinda, I wish all of them the best. UTV, the best. Media General, the best. Nanama, I believe in you. I know you can do great. Miss G, you're a fantastic woman, wonderful lady. Papa. Father Dixon, you are a legend when it comes to this space. Auntie B, and Francis Dokusu, were you experienced people in the media space, and I'm sure they understand the games that they are playing. Let us welcome these two people. Let them have healthy competition. Competition is already necessary. We'll have good competition. Now let's see how Ghana entertainment can grow and grow very well. We're from a park to the rich higher fancy YouTube. First time I reach a summoner to our dream. Yes, someone I'm a catch on a Philly. And I didn't be a photo platform. You do. Now, I enjoy my car. We're from a park to the rich. Bye bye.
DJ Paco Rich.